How to get wither rose in Minecraft. So first you will need 4 soul sands, 3 wither skeleton skulls, and some egg or any type of animal since we need it for our wither rose. Now first just simply go underground. So now we're on the underground. So just get the animal that you want to place. So for me, I'm just gonna put chicken since chicken is the easiest animal to place here. Or to just simply spawn stuff. So just simply need to spawn the chicken. So just throw some random eggs to spawn a chicken just like that. Now, I think this is enough. What you will need to do now is spawn the wither. So to do that, you just simply need to place, just gonna move the chicken around right here, just like that. So just like that. So it should basically look like this. So after that, get your wither skeleton skull and place it right there. And after that, it will spawn the wither. You just simply need to wait it for it to explode. Just wait for it to load up. Just like that. And once it explodes, just wait for it. Boom. As you can see, it will drop the wither rose right there. So you could also kill the wither if you want, but that's only optional. It's not necessary. But once the chicken dies, you will get these wither rose just like that. So after that, you now have the wither rose right here. You can use it to farm animals and stuff since it can give them the wither effect, which will make them die and stuff. But that's how I basically get the wither rose in Minecraft.